This is Joshua Farnsworth. Welcome to my traditional woodworking school. In this video, hand plane expert Bill Anderson will show you how to correctly glue up the parts of a reproduction 18th century wooden hand plane. This also applies to repairing antique wooden planes.
Now that the name stamp has been put on here, I'm ready to put my handle and my strike button on, and I'm going to use traditional type of glue called hide glue. It's an animal-based glue, and it's been used for hundreds of years. There's a variety of types of glue. You can buy it in a powdered form, you can dissolve it and heat it up in a glue pot, a little bit time-consuming, or you can also buy it in liquid form. And there's a variety of types on the market. This one's called old brown glue. It needs to be warmed up a little bit before use. And I'm just going to dab some on here. This particular strike button, you can see here, I've put some glue relief slots here down on the bottom end of the strike button here, so that the glue won't be like a piston when I tap it in. So let me just go ahead and spread a little glue on here, and just going to put the glue on the bottom half and let the action of tapping it in there spread the glue up. And you notice my button is a little bit proud of the surface here, which is what I want. Same thing here with the handle. This all here is the tenon on the handle. So I'll just get glue on that, and here on the underside as well.
Hey, I hope you're enjoying watching our video so far, and I just want to take a few seconds to let you know about our traditional woodworking store, which you can visit while taking a class or by visiting our website at woodandshop.com/store. You'll find our amazing products to help you grow in traditional hand tool woodworking, including in-person and video woodworking classes, woodworking hand tools and workbenches, woodworking plans, traditional wood finishes, shirts and hats, and cool hand tool woodworking gifts for you or your loved ones. Okay, back to the show.
And that's it. In a little while, when the glue is dry, what I'm going to do is pin the handle through here. It's not really draw born, it's just pinned through with a single pin through the mid part of the tenon there. And we'll do that in the next step, and that'll complete the details of the plane as far as anything that needs to be attached to it. Getting ready to pin my handle to the plane body, I've shaped the dowel here. It's a commercial dowel to match my bit using a dowel plate. Just tap the dowel through there, and they normally will shrink or expand, and they'll be oval shaped, and I want it to be round like the bit. So the dowel is going to be positioned halfway along the tenon and a ½ inch in. The tenon is an inch wide, and so I'm going to go ahead and make a prick mark right here at that point, and we'll use a 1/4 inch bit, and I'm just going to drill through, and I'm going to drill through just until the bit starts to poke out on the other side. Hopefully I'll be able to catch that, and then I'll drill back from the other way to get a clean hole, clean exit hole. So I'm also going to try and drill straight through and horizontal. So I've got the hole all the way through, and we'll go ahead and put some glue on this pin and tap it through, and later on we'll cut it off and smooth it off there. Let me grab my, just going to put the glue on the one end of the pin here. Excellent. So we'll just let that glue, and then we'll let that dry, and then we'll cut it off and smooth it out, and we'll be done.
If you're interested in learning traditional woodworking, come take a class at our school in Earlysville, Virginia. You can also visit our website at woodandshop.com, where you'll find a bunch of free woodworking lessons, workshop tours, and our very popular tool buying guides. And make sure you subscribe to our free newsletter to get our latest articles and videos. Enjoy!